GTA Math, what's up? So today we're gonna do a quick chain rule with a radical. I wanna make this quick because I feel like some of my videos are way too extensive. People don't got time for that, so I'm getting straight to it. So whenever you're dealing with a chain rule, the first thing you wanna do if you see a radical is you wanna rewrite it. So I'm gonna rewrite it as f of x equals 5x plus 1. And whenever you have a radical, it's really saying everything underneath it to the 1/2 power. That's all that is. So we're just rewriting. So the next thing we're gonna do is use the chain rule. When we use the chain rule, we actually use the same application of the power rule. We bring it to the front, not to the equal sign, but in front. And then we take the derivative of the inside. And we also leave the inside the same. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to bring it down, and we're going to have f of x, f prime of x, is going to equal 1/2. Bringing that down. We're going to take the derivative of 5x plus 1. The derivative of 5x is going to be 5. And then the derivative of 1, since it's a constant, it just turns into 0. And then we're going to keep the inside function the same. And we're not going to touch this. And then since we use the power rule, we're going to change it. So 1/2 minus 1, which is basically 2/2, it's going to give us negative 1/2. So we're going to put negative 1/2 up here. And this is our new and derived form, but we're not finished. Still got some cleaning up to do. So now that we're here, what we're going to do is multiply everything in green, because these are the things we took the derivative of. But we're going to do some rewriting. So this is now going to be 5/2. And then we're going to have 5x plus 1 stay the same. I should write it in blue so that way nobody gets confused. That's a part. And then we're going to keep the negative 1/2. Right? So when you have a negative 1/2 or a negative anything exponent, it's really saying all of this can be in the denominator. So that's what we're going to do when we rewrite it. So I'm going to have f prime of x is going to equal 5 is going to stay in the numerator. We're going to add this 2 here, and then we're going to bring the 5x plus 1 down, and now this negative exponent becomes positive. And now what we're going to do is this. We're going to rewrite it. This is our final answer. So we're going to rewrite all of this into just regular, we need it back as a radical form. This answer works, but the proper way to do it is to write it like this. Times the square root of 5x plus 1. The reason why we do that is because when you're dealing with radicals, derivatives, it's a lot neater to just rewrite everything that has an exponent that can later be turned back into a radical. So that's what we did here. We just multiplied 5/2 times the original 5x plus 1 to the negative 1/2, and we wrote it all together as one fraction. And we just kept it as neat as possible. We just consolidated information. Yeah, that That was the chain rule.